Very good morning, students. Yes, take out your computer book and computer copy. Now open the fresh page and do this work in your fair copy. Okay, students? Yes. So today we will do exercises of chapter 1. So first heading is chapter 1, and now write the name of chapter is the parts of a computer. Now exercises and then fill in the blanks. So first one is a computer works with data and instruction. Okay, a computer works with data and instruction. Spelling of data is DATA, data. Instruction is INSTRUCTION, data and instruction. Second one, a computer can dash a large amount of information. A computer can store a large amount of information. Spelling of store is STORE, store. Next one is a keyboard has dash keys. Total keys are 104. Next, fourth one is a dash is used to point, select and move any object on the computer screen. Mouse. Spelling of mouse is MOUSE. Fifth one is a dash consists of numbers, keys, arithmetic operation and the decimal point. So the numeric keypad consists of number keys, arithmetic operators and the decimal point. So spelling of numeric keypad NUMERIC, keypad KEYPAD, numeric keypad. Okay. Next, sixth one is a dash does all the calculations and display the result. A dash does all the calculations and display the result on a computer. Simple CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Next is seventh. A monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. Right? Eighth one is a dash displays all the work that we do on a computer. A monitor displays all the work that we do on a computer. Monitor. MONITOR. Ninth is dash keys are used for moving through the documents. Navigation keys are used for moving through the computer. Navigation, spelling of navigation is NAVIGATION. Okay, students. So do this work in your fair copy. Thank you and have a nice day.